Uncle Mark here. Nice to have you with us. Just gonna go take a look at a tractor. Some kind of a tractor. Give me a quick peek at it. See what it's all about. See if we can make head or tail of it. It's green if that helps. Just on the other side of this car. Wish we looked at this car before. Boy, it's grown up around there. Here we are. I wasn't sure what it was. Something that would have had the two little wheels at the front. It's kind of neat. I never noticed this 70 on the front here until I looked back on the video. I was wondering, what is this thing? What model? I'll never guess what it is. Well, it says right there. Got the original rad. You can kind of see some colors here as the engine there. The oil level. Champion plugs. Now, what's the easiest way to get around this? More green on this side. So I thought, I bet you this is like a John Deere because it's green, right? You're going to be pleasantly surprised if you don't already know what it is. What if those were originally that color? The spring is probably original. I wonder if that shock has been built on there. Maybe that was the way it was. Pretty cool idea anyway. And there's the hint right there. It's an Oliver. The amp meter. I think it says it right here. Remove some of that stuff there. Oh, Oliver. Not sure what model, but that means anything or not. All sorts of stuff you could get fingers and stuff stuck into. Yeah. But cool. Hi, Mr. Cat. How are you doing? Look at the tractor, huh? What is that? Was it dual wheel? Got the crank. That's not scary, huh? Looks like it's got a starter on it though. And the generator. That doesn't tell us much, does it? Huh. Must have had drop down doors here at one time. Oh, it might actually be green. Yes, it was green. Back up here and see. Some of this old stuff's just cool. Look how wide these tires are in the back. Was it supposed to be some kind of a dual wheel thing? I don't know. Oh, there's the name right there. It's an Oliver. Well, that's sweet. Look at that spring for the seat. That's when they made this stuff out of real metal, huh? Maybe that'll mean something to somebody. And that. There we go. Oliver. I don't know if that's got fluid in there or something. So neat. 6-cylinder. That's going to do it for our video there about the Oliver. When I first saw the green, I thought John Deere, but what do I know, right? And those wheels, the red ones, that's original, the right color too. Kind of cool, especially I really like that spring on the seat and the shock. Kind of a neat little, in the way they cantilever, however that works there. It'd be neat to drive it and see how that feels. And it probably was pretty smooth with this spring. Anyway, if you like the video, give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down here. Check out the playlist. I'm going to start a tractor playlist because there's all sorts of old tractors kicking around. I'm sure if I talk to different ones, either at some different museums around the province or in Manitoba or elsewhere. Plus, I know there's some farmers that actually have, collector tractors. We'll see if we can be able to talk to them and still follow the rules at this time with what's happening here with COVID. This is 2020. You guys take care for now. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying goodbye. You guys stay safe. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Probably want it even closer, don't we? Uncle Mark here, just head. Good on this side? How was that? Right in front of the lens? Uncle Mark here. No. That's going to do it for our video there about the Oliver.